everyone, John here with How to Film Weddings, and today I want to talk about Facebook Instagram Maggedon 2019. So as you may have noticed this week, Facebook and Instagram mysteriously stopped working, partially kept working, and everybody was having a frenzy, going crazy. They couldn't get on their social media. It was very difficult for them for the day, and it made me realize a couple things, and I wanted to make a quick video just to reiterate the importance of diversifying your audience. So a lot of people build a really big following on Instagram, or they have a big following on Facebook, or a big YouTube following, or a big newsletter list. But the thing of the matter is we don't own any of that. The thing that we can control is brand loyalty. People wanting to follow us because they like what we're producing for them. They like the content that they're seeing with us. You can build a huge number of following, and I've seen it again and again. People just care only about that number next to their name on Instagram or on Facebook or on YouTube. And while all that is really good information and good things to have, I think that a lot of people are missing the mark, and this Facebook, Instagram, Maggedon thing that happened this last week really shined a light on the vulnerability that a lot of us have in not really building brand loyalty and only focusing on the numbers. And now I know a lot of people will say, like, build an email list, and yes, you should be building an email list and a subscriber list. You own that, but you really don't even own that. I mean, that's not your email addresses that you own. You might have access to those, but what I recommend alongside building that email list, aside building the YouTube, the Instagram, the Facebook, the Twitter, whatever it is that you're building, make sure that you are building an audience of loyal followers. If you only have 1,000 Instagram followers instead of 1,000,000, but those 1,000 really care about you, what happens if Instagram just stops tomorrow? If it's gone, do you think that the 1,000 people that are so loyal to you and have been following you, do you think they're going to find you on Facebook? Do you think they're going to find you on Twitter? Of course. So number one, you have to make sure that, like, the things that you're putting out there and the brand that you're building is very loyalty driven, that people are actually loyal to you. So if they're not loyal to you and they just randomly subscribe because you followed and unfollowed them or something like that, they're not going to care if Instagram stops. But if you've built a loyal following of even 10 people, those 10 people are going to come find you on other platforms. And so as you're building out your business, diversify. Just like you do with money, diversify with your social networks, with your loyalty, with your email list, all of these things. Make sure that you have followers in different places and that they are loyal to you. If you were scared because of Instagram Maggedon 2019, I highly encourage you to really rethink the way that you're doing things. Make sure that you're building audiences in different places besides just one platform. Diversify and create loyalty. All right, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you are on YouTube, like this video, share it with somebody that might need to hear it. And until next time, see ya.